Imagine a bed so old it predates modern civilization by tens of thousands of years. At the Sibidu cave, archaeologists discovered not just a bed, but a window into prehistoric human ingenuity. These delicate remnants, each grass strand and rush meticulously preserved, tell a story 77,000 years in the making. The bed wasn't just randomly assembled. Each layer was carefully selected and arranged, revealing sophisticated environmental knowledge. Researchers found that ancient inhabitants deliberately chose plants with natural insect-repelling qualities, demonstrating remarkable scientific understanding. These prehistoric materials show that the human desire for comfort and protection is as old as our species itself. Each artifact is a puzzle piece, revealing the complex lives of our early human ancestors. Loved this journey through time? Like, share, and subscribe to uncover more incredible stories from our past.